Hello everyone, how are you? Well guys, welcome you all to my channel. Well guys, in this video I am going to suggest one book that is going to help you out to understand yourself. If you really want to understand yourself, yeah, as long as you don't understand yourself, do you think you can take a right decision, or you can achieve the thing you want to achieve? I mean, the sky is the limit. Yeah, how you will know the sky is the limit? It could be possible that you feel like this roof is the sky, or this roof is the limit of your potential. For this, I have taken a book for you, that is Say Yes to Your Potential. This book is a very good book as far as like the author is concerned. Skip Ross with Carol C. Carlson, right? They both are, foreign authors. Well, one thing I have already mentioned in one of my video is that foreign authors doesn't means or doesn't give the surety that this book is going to be like a rocking book. There's so many foreign authors you will find in different bookstore or online. That is totally nonsense bullshit, but this book is good, and that's why I have taken for you. Wonderful guys. So it's like I said, yeah, say yes to your potential, right? But the thing is, if you are unaware of your potential, how do you know, yeah, what is my potential? So this book is also going to evaluate that thing. One thing I really liked about this book is whatever the chapters given in this book, that is very good. I mean, as for in a sequential way, if any person is totally morally, or he's like, he or she has no hope, then this book is really going to help him or her to find out, actually, let me first know, yeah, who am I? Then only I can take a right decision for myself. If you are not aware of your, like, yeah, like you are a person, like, do engineering, do doctorate, do this and that, and you is like totally puzzled with this, what to do here. I don't know about myself, I don't know my potential. So to know your potential, this book is going to be a good book for it. This book is going to help you out to understand yourself better, right? I have given the link of this book in the description box. From there you can purchase this book, right? So this book is going to be a helping out book for you if you are purchasing, and only having this book is not going to make any difference in your life. You will have to read it out, right? This book is not very thick. Is like a nominal 164 pages, right? So you can finish, if you are like in a day you can finish. If you will divide, like, if you are a good reader, I mean, you can be able to read in a fast way, then you can even finish in a day, right? But the thing is, here the font has been used that is not very large. I mean, it will take time, and to understand this it will take time, right? So, as like I said, yeah, what the chapters are mentioned in this is very in a very clever way. This is something what I really liked, like climbing up from the bottom. मतलब कोई बिल्कुल बॉटम पे, थोड़ा तो हाइट पे लाओ पहले, उसके बाद द मैजिकल फॉर्मूला। फियर एक बहुत बड़ा एक चैलेंज होता है। यू आर जीनियस बिलीव करवा रहा है कि यार यार ब्रो, यू आर ऑल्सो जीनियस, डोंट टेक यू। अंडर एस्टिमेट करना और ओवर एस्टिमेट करना, both आर नॉट गुड, राइट? इन both द सिनेरियो, you are like if you are underestimating yourself, you are basically saying I don't have the potential to do anything. If you are overestimating yourself, it means you are saying yeah, I know everything. But the scenario is not good as far as any human being is concerned, क्योंकि दोनों सिचुएशन में तुम आउट ऑफ द सिनेरियो हो जा रहे हो, ओवर एस्टिमेट कर रहे हो. मतलब यार आई नो एवरीथिंग, सो यू डोंट वांट टू push yourself to know more about things. But the thing is, nobody is perfect on this earth. It just matter, this is your illusion that yeah, I know everything. This is not the way the things happens, right? This is just an illusion. This is something what you have a wrong insight over it. So come out from this as soon as possible, right? As like I said, I have given the link of this book in the description box, so you don't need to go here, there, this or that. The link is easily available in the description box. From there you can purchase this book anyway. So you first of all, allow yourself to know your potential, and after that you will figure out what is right and what is wrong for me. Then you can take a right decision for yourself. Then do not think so after that the things are going to be very easy for you. In a life we will have to just take 2 to 3 big decisions, like career, second is marriage, third is like where you want to live. So this only 2 to 3 decisions. Apart from all other decisions we take on a daily basis, or we take so many decisions. If that decisions are going to be wrong, it is fine, you can correct it. But the decisions like long-term decisions, like 3 decisions I have already mentioned it, if you are not taking a right decision for them, then it's going to be horrible for you. Your life is going to be in mess, right? So to keep you or refrain yourself to keep your life in a mess, it is very important to understand yourself. Say yes to your potential, yaar. Say yes to your potential. Many person are just taking very trivial kind of things, trivial profession, trivial kind of things, just because they are unaware of their potential. They are like, yeah, this is the way the things are, this is in my destiny. But the thing is, you haven't understood yourself. It's not understand it, understood yourself, right? So understand yourself so that you can take a right decision for yourself, and as per your potential you can take a right decision that entangles, that match, that is compatible with you. If you understand yourself, it means there is a compatibility between you and the decision you have taken for yourself, right? So this book is a good book to read, I would say. As like I said, this is not a very thick book. This is a book you can read in a day even. But to understand, I would say read 2 to 3 times so you can understand this book, what is basically what it does mean to say, right? So to understand it properly, this is something what is very important to understand and read it out. This book, I would say read it out, hard copy of it. The reason being is, like, once you will purchase and having this book, you can write it down, the things you want to see, or because so many things written in this book, that is very good. So it always fine to write it down, the page you are reading, and if you're finding something different, right? So in like of course there's so many other ways, like if you're reading through soft copy, I mean through Kindles and all, you can too write it down somewhere else. But here the thing is, you can write it down in the book, yeah. So that is the difference. Personally I feel this is something what is a good difference. I mean, This is something what that's why I usually purchase hard copy. I know it's not I'm a stereotype of person. I'm not going to change myself. Of course with the time it's good to change, but personally I really love to go with hard copy of it. The essence come after holding the books is totally a different thing from the the soft copy of it. So I'm not against it, but for me I always love to go with the hard copy of it, right? So this is me say, and you also say yourself, yeah, I am going to know my potential, and after I'm going to take the right decision for yourself. So say yes to your potential. Yeah, you know yourself better than any other person, right? So if you are like you understand yourself, though this book is going to be helpful for you. If you are like totally unaware of course this book is going to be a milestone for a success, right? So if this book is so important, then why not to read, right? So read this book and take the benefit of it, as like I have given the description link of this video in the description box. From there you can purchase this BTO. Sorry, you can purchase this book, right? So this is very easy. Is going to be very handy for you to purchase and take the benefit of it, because only holding this book is not going to make any difference as long as you are not reading and implementing the things mentioned in this book, right? So this is me signing off from this video. Have a great, take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like my videos.